Let us come to third question. We have given a capsical ground. So we have to find out the perimeter and area of this figure. So here you can see this is a rectangle and this is 7 meters. So this is a circle and this is diameter of the circle. So if this is 7, you can find the radius of this semicircle, that is 3.5 and 3.5. So this is also 3.5 and this is also 3.5, right? So you can find this length of the rectangular part, length of rectangular part of garden. This is equal to 20 minus 3.5 and 3.5 two times. You will get 20 minus 7, that is 13 meters. So this part is 13 meter from here to here, right? So this is 13 meter and breadth it's 7 meter. So you can find the perimeter of figure or the garden. This is equal to, you have to find out this circumference, okay? So 2 times the circumference of semicircle. So this is equal to 2 times of pi r. This is equal to 2 into pi you can take by your own, 22 by 7 I am taking. R is 3.5, so 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are, you can cut, 5 twos are 10, 1 will be there and 22 meter. So this is 2 times of the circumference, and the perimeter of the garden is equal to 2 times the circumference plus 2 times of length. This is L plus L, right? So this is equal to 22 meter plus 2 times of 13, that is equal to 22 meter plus 26 meter, right? So you will get 6 into 8, 2 into 4, 48 meter is the perimeter of this figure. Now we have to find out the area of garden, that is equal to area of rectangle plus 2 times area of semicircle, right? So this is equal to I'm sorry, I have done some mistake here. This is 2 times semicircle, this is okay, this is pi r, okay, it's right. Now come to area of the semicircle. So this is area of the rectangle is it is length multiplied by breadth, and area of semicircle you can find 2 times of pi r square by 2. Cut this 2 by 2 because area of the circle is pi r square and area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. So you can cut here. Length is 13, breadth is 7, and pi 22 by 7 I am taking. Radius is 3.5, or you can take 7 by 2 also as per your conveniences, into 3.5, right? So you can cut it 0.5. You will get from here 13 sevens are 91, and this is 22 multiply by 0.5 multiply by 3.5. So let us solve. This is 91 plus, when you multiply this 0.5 and 2 you will get 11, right? And 11 into 3.5 is 385, means you will leave one place from here, so 38.5. so this is 38.5. when you add these you will get 8 and 1 9, 9 and 3 12.5. so this is area of this figure.